G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at AWS, Australian Weathering Services, a new weathering service run by my good mate Oscar, who you've seen on the channel quite a few times now. So I'm going to let him take over for the video and he's going to tell you all about his weathering service, and we're going to take a look at one of the models of mine that he has weathered, which was my J class. So we're going to take a look at that, have that run around the layout, and give you an introduction into this new weathering service. So let's get into the video. Roll the intro.
Hi, my name's Oscar, and as Kieran's introduced in the intro, I've started a weathering business. Now, the business is called Australian Weathering Service, or AWS, and obviously I weather models. I mainly specialise in Australian and Victorian models. I'm not too open to doing foreign models at the moment, but that's something I'll look into in future. The models are all done with paint. There's no pigments or powders done here, and they're all clear coated and sealed. Finish is super durable and it's all nice and consistent, so you don't have to worry about any powders rubbing off with the models, so they're all still good to handle. A lot of the models, all the details and windows that you don't want painted will get masked off and they'll be preserved to still look new, unless of course you want them to be dirty as well. The way I do it is if you send me a photo, I can either replicate that photo or I can go out and look for photos for you and possibly find something that you like. So up on the screen now, there'll be some examples and you can see more close up what the weathering looks like and if you like it. So if you guys like what you see, you can check out my Facebook page, Australian Weathering Service. You can see some more close up photos and some more descriptions of what I've done to the models. And through there you can also contact me, and there's also an email address if you want to contact me that way. And yeah, either way I'll try to respond as soon as possible and we'll try work something out to do on your models. Currently I do have some spots available for September as of recording this video, so if you get in quick there might be a spot available for you to immediately send your locos in and get them done. So if you want some character added to your locos and you want something unique for your layout, hit me up and we'll sort something out. I hope to have some of your models ready to go soon.
Now this is my first loco which I have gone to AWS to get weathered. This is my Victorian J535 and is now my favorite in my collection. The sample images that I had sent in had been matched brilliantly and I'm super happy with the result. It looks even better than I could have wanted. So the look I was going for was a blackened out, a dirty, grimy sort of looking J, like it had been pulling coal trains, and you know, it's just been dirty and exposed to all of that. He's really captured what I was going for, and even down to the smaller details with little bits of rust on the front of the smoke box door, on the other side of the smoke box on the sides as well, and in front of the cylinders. You can just sort of see these little finer details which makes it look awesome. And as you can see, it is an oil burner and you can see the drips of oil coming off that tank in the back as well. An awesome job, and yeah, it is the #1 favorite in my collection now. And if you just so happen to attend the Amra Melbourne Showgrounds exhibition, you would have seen Australian Weathering Services at the Will James Railway stand on display, showing his work for the first time to the public and launching officially. My J class was also on display there for you to get a close-up look and see the work for yourself. And another way to get into contact is to pause the video and scan this QR code. And these are some of the other jobs that he has done for customers. I'm just going to leave these photos here for you to get a look and get a feel for some of the other jobs that he's done apart from mine, and some of these locos are his as well. He also did weather the new NNs that have recently come out, so you're going to see a video of them on a train with his own weathered Y class as well. And just again, a massive thank you to AWS and Oscar for weathering my J class. I can't wait to keep running this on the layout, getting more and more content with this locomotive. I will leave the link to AWS's Facebook in the description below, along with Oscar's Instagram and YouTube channel. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace.